Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This morning I'm riding around Shelby Park neighborhood towards downtown. Came down here specifically to check out all the street art. I absolutely love the street art. I think it just gives the city more of a soul. Brightens things up. Makes the old dingy city colorful and exciting and pretty. Gives it more flavor. I love it. Hopefully you guys do too. And if you do, why don't you ride along with me? We'll do some exploring together. Cool ghost advertisement on the side of this building. All these new little street signs they're putting up. Pretty rad. Also, when you're downtown in the older neighborhoods, the curbs down here, they're just old slabs of quarried limestone, not your basic formed concrete. It's pretty cool. I like that stuff. Down in the Shelby Park area, check out Shifty Business Bicycle Shop. Here's a good example of the curbs that I was talking about. Just old quarried limestone. The old Louisville cold storage building. It's been vacant for I don't even know how long. Looks like a mess, but I'd be willing to bet you that thing can withstand a nuclear blast. on, man. This is cool. That'll about do it on this one. Just wanted to get down here to do some riding, check out some of the street art, and share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Until the next adventure, get out there and do some exploring of your own. Peace.